hard for the one.
Stick it to your shovel.
Means it's mixed right.
Huh?
That means it's mixed right.
Is that it?
Yeah. One reason it's sticking, you keep swashing the shovel around. Just dig it in and put it. You just dump it in there.
It'll eventually get there. Coincide and let's
Don't put it up against my hands, won't flip my hands open. Okay, up we go. And we got another 2x4 width under it. So grabbing 2 more 2x4 blocks, small ones or something. All right, as we move forward with the greenhouse, now we have both of the front doors stood. We're going to be working on the back door in just a little while. I want to take and show y'all some of the upgrades we're making here. Now, we didn't video all this because we were having to mix concrete and everything, but we built these footings along the front here. This attaches our front door post aside, our raised beds. Gives us a concrete place here. We're going to put a wall right here, a little 4-foot high wall. What we done was right here next to the pipe, we wrapped the pipe in black plastic so the concrete's not against the pipe to cause corrosion. And we set 10-inch anchor bolts down into this concrete, and the company gave us huge anchor bolts. These are big enough for steel buildings, but that's okay, because this is we want them to go all the way to the bottom and reach the rebar that's in the bottom. You see this hole drilled right here in the post? We slid a 1/2-inch rebar through the post all the way through the concrete footings over into the other side of the board on the outside out here. That ties everything together with rebar through here. And we turn around, I'm going to show on the other side, we've already put the plate down over here. As you see here, we have the plate down, and if we back up, you can see the 4-foot high wall will come to right here. Now the purpose for this is we'll have plywood across the whole front of the greenhouse here, 4 feet high. This will give us a place, let me step through the door, on the inside right here for our electrical panels and stuff like that on the inside in here, timers, things like that. We'll be able to come up in here and install. We'll put a piece of conduit underneath this footing right here and come up on the outside so we can run up to our electrical panel on the house. And we have them on this end, and as we go down to this end of the greenhouse, here's the other door frame laying right here. We'll be hanging it in just a little while right in this opening right here. But you see on this end of the greenhouse we only have a 4-foot door. The other end down yonder we have an 8-foot door. This end we only have a 4-foot because we don't feel like we needed a 8-foot one here. That one down yonder is to be able to drive a tractor in and out of the greenhouse should we need to. This one will be to access the second greenhouse, which will start right here in the future and go all the way up to here. Now, as you can see here, we poured a concrete footing from this edge of the greenhouse all the way across to our door. We left the door out. You pick up the concrete footing on this side and it comes all the way across with our anchor bolts in it. But the next thing, we'll be hanging the door right in here, and then we'll be putting our walls up on this end also. This end will also have plywood coming all the way across it. This is for strength purposes as well as places for us to put in the future should we need to come in here and put us a bench right here to work on this side, or a bench over there to work on that side. It just gives us a little bit more choices about things to do. We're fixing to move on and start framing up these walls up here on this side right here. We've already got our plate in. We're going to put our studs in here. We're going to get that one framed up. Then we're going to move over here. We're going to frame this one up. Then we're going to go to the back and we're going to frame those up. So stay with us, guys. This greenhouse, look how high that is up there. This thing, we just got our window opener in today too. This thing is becoming the epic greenhouse. Alright, we have the end walls all framed up now. So here we still got the plywood form on, we hadn't took that off yet. But there's one end wall. We come across. We have this one here framed up. We still hadn't took the form board off it on the outside. We're letting it dry slowly. Alright, we have both of these walls framed up. That one and this one. Okay, this is what they look like on the outside. Still got the form boards out here. We haven't took the outside ones off yet. There's the wall right there. Next project, we're going to put the plywood on.